Neglect versus compliance. Hi, I'm Zach Bryant, an owner with Bryant Associates accounting firm, and we take a different approach to how we work with clients throughout the year to help make sure that they don't get in a situation where they get behind on taxes and end up owing on not only their tax, late filings, but also those additional penalties. Tax penalties can come up if you're a business owner. It's potential that you've got a notice in the mail before, whether it be from IRS or for state, whether it be for taxes or possibly sales taxes. And it is oftentimes that there's so many filings and deadlines throughout the year that as a business owner, you're wearing many hats and things get done, or that either done late or they get behind, and potential that you get something filed on time. That will create a penalty, whether it be a late filing penalty or a non-filing penalty, and those penalties can start to add up and accrue interest, and it just causes the business owner to spend a lot of time trying to get those notices cleaned up and their taxes paid and current. And so what we do when we work with our clients throughout the year is we take that task out of the client's hands so they know that it's being handled and taxes are being paid not only on time, but also making sure that they aren't getting any of those penalty notices. In the event that they do get a notice, we're taking the time, our day, to make sure and get those notices cleaned up on the client's behalf. So it really gives the client peace of mind of knowing that everything's being compliant and being handled and done timely, and they're not getting behind on their taxes or owing additional fees or penalties because of either late filings or forgetting to file taxes that are due. We are working with the client throughout the year on a month-to-month basis. So we are notifying the client if and when things are due, when they're going to be scheduled, when payments are going to be coming out of their account, so they are aware of what's going on with their finances, with their taxes that are due, with their estimates that are due throughout the entirety of the year, so they are involved in knowing what's going on. But we take the time-consuming task out of their hand to make sure that it's getting filed on time, those things aren't getting forgotten or left behind, because when those notices start to appear, they can cause for a lot of hysteria to the business owner, confusion, and oftentimes ultimately just take a lot of time out of the business owner's day trying to sort through those messes. So if you're a business owner that's wanting to outsource that time-consuming task of making sure all the filings throughout the year are staying compliant, give us a call today. We'd be happy to sit down and talk with you about how we work with the client throughout the year to make sure you don't have to worry about those tax penalties anymore.